I'm gonna make a new video. Please subscribe. I'm gonna say it again. Every single video, I'm gonna make a new video and say, please subscribe. Because I have a lot of subscribers right now. 99. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you all of my plans. Yeah, I have my own plans. Don't believe me? But if you know the location, yeah. Wait, my friends. My friends is now gone. So, I'm gonna show you it now. Please subscribe, but not just subscribe, also like. Go. So guys, I'm now going outside. It's hot temperature today. I think it's summer's rain. Oh, okay. Here it is. Here is my client. Oh, it's actually here. And next, so see this. Okay, see it? I'm gonna watch it so if you actually see it. But when you can see it, I'm gonna delete it and make a new one. Make a new video. Almost flip on. Okay. Search, I didn't talk about this. Okay. So first, these three. These are actually some vegetables that you can eat, but they're not ready. And this is called a limbo. I forgot what is this called in English, so I don't care about it. And this is called a santol, and it will become a tree. But we already have one. It's already a tree. Okay, let's go. So before the other ones at the top of it. So let's go. Oh, yeah. So muddy stuff. Okay, this is the santol. Yep, that's the santol tree. And the fruits there are actually really good. And okay, we can now talk about the other ones, my own plants that are on top of those. Okay. Okay, sorry guys, my family. Please stop. Okay guys, so I'm gonna now talk about these. These are not actually mine. These are mine. So this is actually my friend's one that I actually gave to him. Okay, everybody is disturbing me while I'm making a video. So I got this again. I'm good. Let me see. So this one is actually I already put it. It's actually see those, and there are two. Don't say this one died. It didn't. And this one, I forgot what it is named. And this one is garlic. And this one is this one, but yellow. And this one is yellow too. And also, I have pepper. And that's all it. So I'm gonna show you at the future. So bye guys.